If you don't have a clay loom that you made from last year, what we're gonna do is actually decorate a plate and use this as a loom instead. What I suggest doing is using some washable markers, and we're gonna be coloring in some different patches and then adding a little bit of plain water so it looks like paint. And I would like for us to think about the color choices that we're going to use for our plate. You're gonna wanna try to use colors that are analogous or close to each other on the color wheel, because sometimes when you're adding water and turning it into paint, when the colors mix, sometimes if the colors are too far apart on the color wheel, like orange and blue, which are complementary, they will mix to be a brown. So we're gonna try to avoid colors that are opposite and find ones that are a little bit closer together. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick some colors out. All right, so now that I have my colors that are close on the color wheel, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my marker and color in big patches. I'm gonna color the rim. I don't have to color it in fully because the water will spread it out and make it look like paint. Okay, now that I have my colors laid down on the plate, I'm gonna take some clean water and I'm just going to kind of add it and paint it and turn into paint and mix together. Then you're gonna go ahead and let that dry.